tayo ay may kwento. Pero alam mo ba, sa bawat kwento ng tagumpay, may isang taong nagtuturo, nag-encourage at naniniwala. Hello Kuwait and Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. Welcome to Dream High Pinay, ang programang nagbibigay ng inspirasyon at pag-asa sa bawat nanay, mama, mami, ate, tita na may tapang, pangarap at determination. Ngayong araw, pwede mong tanungin ang sarili mo. May gusto ba akong ibahagi sa iba? Or gusto ko bang maging isang guro, isang trainer, or isang educator? Kung ang sagot mo ay oo, then this episode is for you. Dahil dito sa Dream High Pinay, naniniwala kami na bawat isa sa atin ay may kakayahang magturo, maghikayat at magbigay ng inspirasyon. At ang unang hakbang, aralin ang sining ng edukasyon. Let's talk about how our UK Diploma in Education and Training can open doors or change your mindset and prepare your teaching or to lead and make a difference. Tara, simulan na natin. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang Level 4 Diploma in Education and Training under po ito ng UK Curriculum. Ito ay isang internationally recognized qualification na para sa mga gustong pasukin ang mundo ng teaching, training, and education, online man o face-to-face. Ang layunin ng kursong ito ay ma-develop ang iyong practical teaching skills at maihanda ka para magtrabaho sa iba't ibang education training settings. This Level 4 Diploma has a total of 120 credits or units, and kapag ipinagpatuloy mo ito to Level 7 Educational Management and Leadership, so ito po is equivalent siya as first year of master's degree, which means after completing all the levels, may access ka na sa final year of related master's degree through our university partners in UK. So, perfect ito para sa mga gustong magturo professionally, magkaroon ng UK-recognized teaching qualification, magpatuloy hanggang degree level habang nagtatrabaho dito sa ibang bansa. So, ano-ano ba ang mga matutunan mo? So, first is fundamentals of education and training. So, ito yung mga theories and principles behind effective teaching. And of course, design of education and training resources. So, paano gumawa ng learning materials for students or trainees. And of course, engaging learners. Napaka-importante yan. Kasi dito is matutunan mo or magkaroon ka ng skills, strategies to keep your students interested and involved. And of course, developing a work plan. So, lahat naman ng mga teachers or educators is meron silang mga work plan. Okay, so planning your lessons and managing your teaching responsibilities. So, napaka-importante din yun. And of course, program evaluation and education and training. How to assess and improve your training programs. And lastly, professional development and reflective practice. So, ito yung self-assessment and learning how to grow as an educator. These are not just theories, you'll apply them in real-life teaching situations, kaya very practical and hands-on ang course na ito. Ang galing, di ba? And the best part is, hindi mo kailangan ng previous teaching experience to start. What you need is the willingness to learn and the passion to inspire others. Whether you're a caregiver, office staff, team leader, or a mom who loves sharing knowledge, you can become a certified trainer or teacher. Kaya kung ready ka nang simulan ang bagong chapter ng career mo as an educator or trainer, this is your moment. Enroll in our UK Diploma in Education and Training Level 4 ngayon na. So, wag na natin antayin yung bukas. So, message na kayo sa aming WhatsApp number +965-99302850 for more information or sa enrollment process natin. ICAC is here to guide you every step of the way. Tandaan mo, boses mo may kapangyarihan, kaalaman mo ay may halaga, at ang pagnanais mong magturo ay simula ng pagbabago para sa iyo at sa iba. Ako po muli si Miss Rachel at ito ang Dream High Pinay dahil ang tagumpay ay para sa iyo, para sa ating lahat. Tuloy lang sa pangarap, tuloy lang sa laban dito sa ICAC, your partner in success.